everyone, Lucas at Lamin-x, and today I'm going to be showing you how to tint the headlight on your Tesla Model 3 using a pre-cut Lamin-x headlight film cover. And we really want to black this headlight out as much as possible. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to install our pre-cut Gunsmoke headlight film cover on this Tesla Model 3. Let's go. To start, you just want to clean the area using a soft cloth and some water of any dust, dirt, or lint or debris that could potentially get caught underneath the film and the adhesive as you're installing and result in air bubbles or a poor installation. Next, we're going to remove the Lamin-x from the liner using the handling tabs, and then you're going to mist the outside adhesive side of the Lamin-x with just a few water droplets, and that's just going to make it a little bit easier for us as we line this Lamin-x up and start to tack it into position. You want to line up the film with the edges of the headlight, making sure that the film covers the entire light, and loosely tack it on. At any point, if you need to pull up the Lamin-x, you can completely pull it up and try realigning it and tacking it down again. Once your Lamin-x is loosely tacked on, covering the entire headlight, we're going to spray the outside layer of the Lamin-x with a few water droplets, and that's going to serve as a lubrication layer as you take your squeegee with a moderate to firm pressure, using 4 fingers equally distributed on the squeegee, starting in the center flattest part of the light and squeegeeing the water out from underneath the film toward the edges of the light. You want to make sure you're taking your time in a bunch of small movements to fully apply this Lamin-x all the way down, and at any point if it wrinkles up a little bit, you can just pull the Lamin-x up and squeegee that part back down. Slowly repeat this process all the way around the headlight, and once the Lamin-x is all applied down, we'll take our soft cloth to completely dry up the Lamin-x. So all that's left to do is to take a trim tool and remove the handling tabs. You want to make sure you're cutting in the groove right between the paint and the headlight, making sure you're only using enough pressure to cut through the film and not actually damage the light underneath or the paint. Now this Tesla Model 3 has a completely gun-smoked headlight, which makes it look way more aggressive, as well as going to protect these headlights for many years to come. If you want to learn more about our Lamin-x light film covers, visit our website or watch our other light film cover installation videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Take care.